Hi, welcome to Getting Started with Infraphone. My name is Christian and I'm going to show you the first steps to take to get your CC1 Smart Badge up and running. First, unbox the CC1. When you open the package, you will find the desktop charger. A restarting card, and of course the CC1 itself. The battery will be empty for shipping, so to get it running you will need to charge it first. Plug your charger in. The red LED should be lit up. When the device is charging, additionally the green LED will be flashing while charging or constantly be lit up when full. Next up, we're going to create an access point for the CC1 to connect to. The easiest way to do this is as a hotspot with your phone. Make sure it's 2.4 GHz, not 5G. In case the status bar says Wi-Fi not connected, you should restart the device. Put the device in a charging state and tap the restart card on the screen. It takes a few seconds, then the blue LED will light up and a reboot will follow. After successfully connecting the device to our backend, you can log into the Infraphone Entity Server web interface. Use the login credentials from your Getting Started email. Go to Devices and add a single device. The device ID is displayed as a QR code on the unallocated device. Scan the code and edit the ID in the device page. The IIS web interface is a developing environment that simulates a real-life operation site. There is the site itself, which we need to create. Then there are kiosks, which will be used as check-in interfaces for the users. And then there will be dispensers, the robotic boxes that charge and supply the actual badge to the user. The dispenser is always assigned to a kiosk. Now that everything is set up, we can deallocate and then allocate our device. First up, the deallocation is simulating the user, giving back the device to a dispenser. To the time of filming there is an error message here, but it's just a bug, the process works fine. Now we'll create the data view, which we want to display. A data view is a displayable face of the application running on the backend. It is basically a JSON file with visual elements and variables. You can create your own using the documentation or use our demo files. So now we can allocate our device to a user with our data view on board. First, we need to define the username, the data view, and the user data, which will give values to the data view variables. The format for the user data is also JSON. Now you can take your CC1, unlock it by touching the home button and then pressing the QR code to make the device fetch or allocate data from the IIS. If you run into any problems with this process, you may find solutions in our forum, or you can just contact our ISV support. Thanks for watching and successful developing.